Welcome all my students. Today is our first day in physics. My name is Abdulrazak Muhammad Hashim. I have been teaching this course more than 2 decades, more than 20 years, and I think it is very, very simple course. In my experience, I have seen this course while I'm teaching and when I was a student. It is very, very simple. As I told you before, my name is Abdulrazak, and you are welcome here again. This is our expectation. Our this course is simple. It needs an open mind. It needs a desire. We need all these. When I am explaining the lessons, please don't write your notice. Simple notice. Listening, not hearing. I think you know the difference between these two. Asking questions. Feel free to ask me a question where you didn't understand any topic or any word, you can ask me. And do you know that? This is. We agree what? Do you agree with the same of this? Yes? We agree that all our mobiles must be silent. That's great. Now it's your turn. I think the name from the right to the left. Yes, your name? Roblo. Oh, Roblo means raining in Somali. Yeah. Samata. Oh, Samata, you are good. Samata. Samata is good. Hawa. Hawa, yes. Hawa Nepi. Origin of the human. Adawe means what? It's a white. Adawe. Farah. Oh, Farah means happy. Farah is happy. Now, we'll go. This is the chapter 1, an introduction in physics. Introduction. It's simple introduction in physics. Every person in the universe, or especially students, they have a question about the universe. Why am I here? All this. Why you are here? Another question for any student is asked, what are the necessary equipment or necessary knowledge, prerequisites for learning physics? So physics. It's a simple, needs an open mind, needs desire to learn, and needs what? Some simple algebra and some trigonometry. And I think you know all this. The question is for any physics student or for any person in the universe, why the nature of reality? What is the nature of reality? What is the universe? Why this universe is organized the way it is now? All this in physics. So physics involves in many. The closest with this is how physics is related to mobiles. It has a ring sound, it has a light, it has a waves. So all these are subtopics, some topics in physics. Flying birds, automobiles, and blue skies, all they share uncommon principles. Do you know that principles? In chemistry? No. In what? Principles in physics. So these are all involved in physics. Physics is a branch of science. We have another branch of science. Physics is one. Another one. Yes, Farah. Biology, yes. How? Chemistry, yes. Yes. Adawe, yeah. Medicine, yes, it's no problem. Medicine, astronomy, and others. Birds, all these birds fly. They use pressure. Physics principles in pressure. We will see later in detail. Automobiles use thermodynamic principles. Please rub your hands now. What do you feel? I feel hot. You feel hot? Or you feel cold? Hot. So, rubbing your hands means doing mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is converted into what? Into heat. Energy mechanical. So, work related with hot. This is called thermodynamics. Sky is blue. Light is scattered on on what? On nitrogen and oxygen. And then the blue is the most scattered one. So it looks blue. Phones use what? Physics principles, as we told before. So physics is a branch of science, and most of the fundamental, it is most fundamental of all science, chemistry, biology, all this. Physics is the base. In biology, where physics is related to biology. In chemistry, where physics is related to chemistry. Yes, I think in our body, they have physics. You know the pacemaker in our heart, pacemaker, generation of the rhythm, electricity. How about running blood in our arteries and veins and capillaries? All these are in biology. And in chemistry, attraction of molecules, each other bonds, they are attraction physics, principles in attraction. In astronomy, in geology, all these are the principles of physics related to each other in physics. So we will see later. Today is the first introduction lessons. As we told you before, physics is simple. Please feel free to ask me a question. Let me ask you a question. Who is ready? One student. Ready? Please raise your hand if you are ready for questions. Yes, Jumala, I think you are ready. Yes. What is your name? If I say you say Jumala. So I ask you a question. So don't afraid of questions. Maybe I ask you your age. Maybe I'm asking your name. So feel free to ask and feel free to be asked. Question is from the school. I think most of them students they are a medical students. After the graduation, they will be physicians, and in physics experts will be called physicists. So let's summarize all these points. We talked about the physics, how it relates in chemistry, biology, how it has answers to the different. Now, how physics is related to your medical or medicine? Do you have any concept about this? Yes. Blood pressure. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Another one. Yes. The eyeglasses uses light lenses. Farsightedness and nearsightedness is a physics principles. I think you are welcome, and all students are welcome. My office is available, and I'm free at that time every day except the weekends from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. I'm available. Welcome. There is a tea and there's a water if you prefer. Thank you very much, all students. Thank you very much. In the next session, I think you have now two questions to ask you, or three simple questions. What is the most important topic in physics according to you? Every person can understand and answer what is the most important topic in physics. Another question is very simple. What is the most difficult topic in physics according to you? The last, this is the last. Thank you very much.